We're going to be making chocolate protein pancakes and I'm really excited. I seen a really good YouTube video and I'm going to link the video and the recipe down below. I'm going to be trying them out today because I actually got a new protein powder in. I'm trying out the Tianna10 Wellness protein powder. This is the rich chocolate one. This is the one that I actually always use. That's my go-to, but we're going to be trying this one today. This one's plant-based. It's organic ingredients, vegan, non-GMO, dairy and soy free, which is really good. I actually always purchase this one because it's lactose free. So this is my go-to. So we're going to try this one out today and see how it tastes. All right, so to make these chocolate protein pancakes, you need 4 eggs, 1 banana, you need 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, you need 2 tablespoons of your protein powder. This is a chocolate protein powder, so I put 2 tablespoons of that, and then you need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So let's put this all in the blender and blend it up. I think I made it a little too watery. I'm hoping that it's okay. So let's throw them in the pan and see how they go. So I'm gonna make a couple just plain ones and then I'm gonna add some chocolate chips in the others because believe it or not, my boyfriend, who is going to be 22, must have chocolate chips in his pancakes. So I'm gonna add a couple chocolate chips in the rest of them. But so far this is how they're turning out. And it's weird because hers, I'll show a picture, but hers are actually a lot more darker and I'm wondering if it's because of the type of protein powder. If you can see, this one is just a little bit more darker than this one. So I'm wondering if it has to do just with the coloring, but I'm really hoping that these turn out. So we'll flip them soon and go from there. Also, as a side note, check out these really cute kitchen items that I found at Walmart that have like marble ends on them. I just broke a pancake. Okay, I need to do this with my camera down. I promise you they're not burnt. I think it's just because of the banana and the protein powder. To be honest with you, they smell so good. So I'm gonna get a little plate for those. I'm gonna get some chocolate chips out and then start making a couple of others. They're a lot more like thicker than the other ones, and I think that's either because I let the batter sit or because I let the pan get hot enough. But either way, these ones are definitely a lot more fluffy compared to my thin little pancakes. Oh, I'm gonna also point one thing out. I'm not good at making pancakes. I'm really bad at making pancakes. I actually started to get a lot high. So I'm not the best at making pancakes. I was actually a lot better when I had like a wider like skillet almost. And going back to a pan is just like, I'm not good at it. So I'm doing my best here for this video. All right, so the pancakes are all done. It actually made like quite a few. So it also called for strawberries, but I don't have strawberries. I just have my pancakes. So I'm gonna see how my chocolate pancakes are. I'm excited to try them. I've had pancakes similar to this before, but one difference is she actually put in baking powder. So I'm excited to see how they're gonna taste with that. They're probably gonna be a lot more fluffy, not so thin compared to what I used to have. And trying it out with like a different protein powder is gonna be pretty good to try also. So I'm excited to see how those are. So I'm just gonna use some maple syrup, a little bit of butter, and I'll let you know how they are. So I like how it's like a hint of banana, but it's not like banana. Now the protein powder, I don't taste like a lot of chocolate per se, but it's not chalky and it doesn't taste like protein powder, so it's still pretty nice. So I really do like this one for baking. If I didn't have like the extra chocolate chips in here, they'd be very, very plain, but it is nice for baking because I know sometimes some protein powders are not nice to bake with, but this one is really nice to bake with, so I enjoyed that. So I'm going to continue my pancakes and then I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I want to wrap up this video. So the protein pancakes were really, really good and I really did enjoy them. So if you're looking for like a healthier alternative to like pancakes, or you want a good pancake, or you want a good protein pancake recipe, I really did enjoy this one. They were simple to make. It made a lot of them and they tasted really, really good. And I'm not huge on banana, but they tasted so, so good. I also did enjoy the Teamy Wellness Protein. It was good. It wasn't as chocolatey or flavorful as my other protein powder, but it was pretty good and I did enjoy baking with it. So I am gonna update you guys in the next video on trying this as like a shake or something else. I'll look at matching. I also got the on-the-go tumbler in lilac, so I may maybe I'll try it as a shake and then update you guys in another video, but I did really enjoy it. I do also have a discount code. It'll be in the description down below. The one thing I do want to mention is they don't just focus on teas anymore. They have skincare, they have wellness powders and teas, and that is why I wanted to try out Teamy for the first time, because in the past it was mostly focused on teas, where now it's focused on other things. So this was just a collaboration. I thought I'd try it, let you guys know how it turned out in the pancakes, and I thought it'd be fun just to make some pancakes and cook. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see other videos like this where I try like protein bites, maybe trying some TikTok recipes, anything like that, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Did you want to say goodbye? No? Okay.